Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sherly Windia H. I will tell about Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Most of us remember and cherish Cinderella as our most favorite character for decades. There are many more fabulous and cherishing fairy tales featuring beautiful characters. There are many unforgettable and cherishing imaginary characters live forever in everyone's heart. One such beautiful and attractive girl is Princess Rose. Princess Rose and the Golden Bird is one of the unforgettable fairy tales. The tale of the Princess Rose is here. Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful princess named Rose. She had long, wavy, and shiny golden red hair. She was named perfectly as she loved and adored the rose. She had one glowing golden bird who will visit her in the evenings. The princess and the golden bird will sing mesmerizing song, where all people in the kingdom peacefully sleep with sweet dreams. The bird will begin making the sound, sing the beautiful hair of the princess, and she will join with the bird. Both of them used to sing lullaby to make people sleep and keep singing the lullabies until sunrise. Will people live peacefully, or which came to know about the golden bird and the hair color of the Princess Rose. She cursed the princess and her hair turned ugly black. As usual, the bird started singing, seeing the black hair of the princess, and she continued. While people fell asleep, none of them had sweet dreams. Rather, they were terrible and fearful. Princess heard about the nightmare dreams and was so worried. She asked the golden bird what she should do to turn her hair red. The bird asked her to dip her hair in rose water, and she did. Surprisingly, the hair turned beautiful red with the usual glow. Undoubtedly, everyone fell asleep hearing the lullaby and had sweet dreams. Knowing this, the witch cursed again and now removed all rose flowers and petals from the kingdom. Already I told you about Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Apologize if something goes wrong, and bye bye. Thank you.